This section speaks to exhaust fan maintenance. There are many different types of exhaust fans located throughout a building. Most of them are individual units serving a room or a shop. Quarterly, check cleanliness of the fan. Clean as required. Check switch operation. Repair as required. Check fan belt tension. Check for belt wear and alignment. Replace if necessary to ensure proper operation. Check drive alignment, wear, bearing, and coupling seating and operation. Repair and replace as needed. Check fan blades. Clean, repair, or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. If field serviceable, lubricate the bearings. Measure motor amperage using a C-clamp amp probe. Increased in current flow may indicate that the bearings are seizing. If the exhaust fan is automatically controlled, check the thermostat operation. If the exhaust fan is interlocked with the operation of other fan systems, check the sequence of control. If an individual fan serving an individual room, check the exhaust air grill. Make sure it is clean. If not, you can vacuum the grill or replace the grill and literally just hand brush it out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.